Hi, this is Kevin with KG Jam, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today. This is February 12th, I believe, Saturday, and I got to start writing down what day number this is of the year, but this is a video of the $10,000 personal challenge I have on Splinterlands to document a day by day challenge to reach a $10,000 asset value by the end of the year. Actually, I got till, well, here's the rules right here. 1 year from 2nd of January, pretty much the end of the year. Must report all outside investments money. Withdrawals will pay down outside money balance. Can use any number of ways to make money on platform to reach goal. Total value of your assets can be used to reach the goal. Okay. Uh, each of these videos in the beginning, I'm going to have this, the reward opening, the pack opening. And at that point, if you watch the other videos, I'm going to go over ways to make money on the website. Uh, they also have an affiliate program that if you click on the link down below and join through my link, it helps me out I get 5% of all your pack purchases and your spell book. So if you like what I show you, please do that. Subscribe and like. I am not a financial advisor. This is entertainment purposes only. Listen to me at your own risk. And with that, let's find out how I did last night. I have a total. I already added the $4 pack. Now, normally would not do this, but because if you're making a YouTube video, people like to watch other people make open packs. So especially when it comes to NFTs, and these cards are NFTs. So anyway, what I didn't, I think it's 54 right now. I got to change that. But anyway, $10 spell book, 100 single cards. So 330 is my initial investment, and my value as of last night was 784. Now it was high as 830, but and I'll show you why. And it was nothing I did. It was just the market, and I'll show you. But 171 cards, and you're like, well, hold on, you got less cards than you started with yesterday. So how did your account go up in value? Well, one, I burned a lot of cards and combined to make my cards more powerful, which in turn makes cards less in the circulation, which makes them more valuable. And that's happening every day. And I'm going to show you later on what some of the cards, the older cards, are worth now because of that. It's a great system that forces, it doesn't force, but is as you burn the cards, which you want to, there's incentive to make the cards more valuable. They just, by nature, because of the, the rarity of them. Power points. This is the number you want to go up. This is what they do to decide how much SPS you're getting, splinter land shards. And right now it's running about, I think, 13 cents. It was at 14 cents, and it was at a quarter when I joined a month ago, but everything went down. And if I was to cash out today, I would walk away with $485 profit. Not bad that's 2 times the money. So, or no, well, it's not 2 times. Well, I doubled my money, but after you subtract that, you got that. So as this goes up, that will go up. As these goes up, that will go up. As the value of the cards go up, that will go up. So there's a whole bunch of ways that is affecting the prices. Now, here we're going to knock this out real quick. Every day you get a quest. If you win 5 battles, it doesn't got to be in a row. It's just got to be 5 battles. You get a chest. And in that chest is either a card, which can be a gold card or a regular card, credits, or potions. And potions help you get better cards when you're opening a pack. And this right here, I'm going to get 9 in 3 days because they have seasons twice a month, every 15 days. And depending on where your rating is, you get 5, 7, 9, and the higher you go, they add 2. But these are just like these, and you get stuff that's going to help you increase your power, your value, and it's free. It's a bonus, I guess is what I should call it. Up here's the credits. I've already deposited money on it to buy the pack. This is my DEC. This is dark energy crystals. These you get when you buy and sell and win battles. Okay. And then here's the SPS, which you get through airdrops right now, or you can buy online, just like any crypto. And I got them all staked. That's why it's at zero. But let's go ahead and open this up. And then, like I said, the rest of the video is going over stuff you might have seen before and how to make money on the site. And I'm trying to keep the videos under 10 minutes. I like to get them down about 5, but sometimes I ramble. And okay, so today I got 13 credits. So that goes into my credit total. And you can use these to buy packs and stuff in the store. And so where am I going now? Now I'm going to go open the packs, or the one pack. Okay, so pay with the credits. And I don't have any potions, so I don't have any increased chances. Now, you don't have to open the pack. You can save it, resell it. So here it is down here. Put it in there. And you get 5 cards per pack. You can get gold card, legendary, rare. You're guaranteed at least a rare in the pack. A couple of days ago, was it yesterday? Or no, it's 2 days ago, I got a legendary. So let's flip the first one. That is a common, but I like the sneak attack. It means you can attack anywhere in line. And that's low mana, so that's a filler. They take a lot of damage for you. This is one that I use quite often. It doesn't attack, but it gets stronger as the battle goes on, which ties up a lot of the enemies. This is a snipe attack that does damage around it. And this is going to be a rare or better. And it's the Cursed Wendeku, and I use him all the time. When he gets attacked, he automatically does damage back. Excuse me. So he basically gets 2 attacks around. So not a bad pack. And so that ends that part of it. Now I'm going to go explain all the different ways to make money. One is the affiliate program. I'm an affiliate marketer. And here's all the people I've recruited so far. And none have bought the spell book yet, but they're playing, because you can play for free. You just can't open the money-making side of it until you purchase a spell book, which is basically just an entry fee for $10. So if you sign up on the link below, that helps me out. Another way is they don't have it open yet, but the potions you win and the items you win in the chest, you can sell on the store that's coming. And they also have land you can buy and sell. They've already sold some land, but they're about to come out with more. So let's go back to the shop, and I'll show you something else. Now, as you buy packs, I've bought 56, and I'll change that number on the other page later. 655,704 packs left to unlock next character, and they do an airdrop. And for every pack I got, I get a percentage to win whatever that card is. Now, all these I didn't win except this one, and I got two. These are legendaries, so that was a nice win. So technically, I could win 56 cards on this next drop if they all hit. But the odds are they're not, because it's a very low percentage. But I look forward to it because that's a way to add to my value and the power of my pack. And they have 7 million packs left to sell. 7 million, 3 and 4. They started out with 15 million, and they're down to 7 million. Then once those are out, the only place you'll be able to buy them is a secondary market. And then next 6 months, 8 months, they come out with another set, just like Yu-Gi-Oh, just like Pokemon, same kind of setup. The other thing I wanted to show, vouchers. You get vouchers for because you're staking the SPS, and then I get SPS dropped on me. So let's go look at that. That's another way to increase. Now I'm getting about 7 SPS a day. That number is only going to go up because this number is going up, and that's the total collection power. Okay, and that's everything you own adds that up, which in turn increases the drop, which they do every day. They're a little bit over halfway through. They got another 165 days, and and then as this goes up, the value of it, like I said, it was at a quarter, so I was about at $60 if it was at the current price. This number will go up and down, but this technically could go to a dollar too. You just never know. Right now, I'm making 32.55% APR staking. Where can you make that kind of percentage? What bank can you put that in? And this is, I've claimed this a couple times already this morning, and it's accumulating by the minute. And of course, I just put it back up into there. Okay, so let's go to Peak Monsters, and here's going to prove this is what it was when I started. It might change. It goes up and down. It can fluctuate as much as $50 right now, and it went up a dollar. But that's the sum total of all my cards. So that's another way to make money, is the buying and selling in the market of your cards. They take 5%. It's not bad at all. I'm on platforms that are taking 15%, so I ain't complaining. You can also rent your cards out and make an income. So right now I'm making 157 DEC a day. It's not a whole lot, but that DEC I can take and reinvest and buy more cards with it. Why I still keep the cards that I want to keep, why they go up in value, just like rental property, because that's what NFTs are. It's your cards are your property, and you can rent them or sell them. Okay, let's go back to the site, and that was Peak Monsters, by the way, which is you can get through it through the market. So what other ways can you make money that I haven't showed yet? I want to show you. Last night my account was as high as $850, and it was all because of this card that I pulled out of a pack. It's the only gold legendary that I own, and it's this guy right here, Ifrit Rising. And when the other day, there hasn't been very many for sale, but they were selling them for about $99 roughly average, and there was about 4 of them. So somebody came in and bought all those up, and the reason they did that was to probably burn them and make, because 4 cards maxes out this gold card. Now the gold cards are kind of, you can use them separate in its own league, and you have to have gold cards do it, so they're very sought after. And so as of last night, there's only 2 cards for sale, because there's only 491 of them in circulation. Now, this is a Chaos Legion, which means they're still opening packs. So this number will go up a little bit, but if they're burn them, they'll go down. And when there's no more to be opened up out of packs, this number will just continuously go down. And so it was at 700 or 1800 was the only 2 people selling. 2 more last night added it, and they can sell it for whatever they want. So if they pulled it out of a $4 pack, they still made a nice profit, but it looks good for the long-term hold on this card that it's going to go up in value. Now, let's go to the marketplace. I'm going to show you what the earlier cards, because remember, every day we've got over 400,000 daily users. The number 1 country is the Philippines. The number 2 is United States, and there's 100 and something countries that you can play this game in. So every day they're buying cards, burning them, making more powerful cards. So every day, even though they're opening packs, they get less and less. And so here we are. These are the common. This is the regular. This is the gold. So let's go to the most expensive card that's a regular card. This is all of them, and this is the floor price on all of them. And all you do is click on the card, and then you go to this thing, and you can buy it if you want it. But let me see if I get down there any faster. It's kind of, there's a lot of them. There's a total of 475 regular cards since the beginning. I think they're 2 or 3 years old. But anyway, so the guys who got in early and got these cards, as of right now, The least amount of cards is this one, which is only 83 left because of over time they've burnt, and it's not like a very powerful card unless they combine it, but there's only 83 left. So they're selling them for $25,000, and there's only two people willing to sell, and that's the low. So you can see how the value of these cards can just skyrocket. Now let's go to the legendary. Those are the most uh, cards, and then let's go to the gold legendary, which was that if Ifrit that I was just showing you. And I think I got to click on that. Okay, now there's only 91 gold legendary cards in all time, and the most expensive one is this one right here. There's only 39 of them in existence right now, and that's only going to go down. It never goes up. So if somebody, and nobody's selling, but the floor price is $750,000, absolutely mind blowing. And let's look at the cheapest go. This is why we'll probably sit on this for a long time, because they all go up in value, but these are the newest ones. So mine's the second row from the or third row, but the cheapest one you can get right now is $92. Okay, $92, three-quarters million. So that's another way. And if I'm going to do this for a whole year, a lot of these cards are going to go up in value as they decrease. So I feel good about making my $10,000 goal. And anyway, subscribe and like. If you like what you saw, please join my link below. I will have another one tomorrow. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.